Very good morning. Actually, we have got an opportunity from NITTTR Kolkata that this institute, Global Institute of Management, has given an scope to conduct a prestigious program, basically utilization of instructional media and Kai in effective teaching. That means how teacher will teach so that teaching teaching result, that means the students who are learning, that will be effective. So that is our main motto of this program. 3 days we will continue this program. Morning we will start about the role of a teacher and core qualities of a good teacher. A model class also will be taken, how to teach, so that the teachers will get an idea and they can make their own material in front and present it in front of the student. And that is another is teacher also will make their own courseware by their own hand without free of cost, just by utilizing their laptop and internets. So this is basically, we have thought that coming 3 days we will continue in this way and hope that teachers from any branches, maybe management, maybe engineering, they will get the opportunity, they will get the facility, they will provided the skill so that they can make their own teaching components, which will be in the electronic format and to be presented through computer assisted instruction. So that's all. This is basically our.
The placement will be also there.
Actually, see, the placement depends on how much knowledge student already have. So if you're teaching, it's effective and student has learned properly, so definitely the skill among the students also will be generated, and when they will face the interview in front of the employer, so definitely they will give the best interview and they will perform better and they will get the job.
So it will be valid from all over the India.
This is that type of, actually this is the program. We are having 4 NITTTRs, all are providing such type of program, but in Eastern Zone this is the first time we have already organizing such type of program to give the opportunity to the student to learn through their own hands how to make the teaching.
मो ना प्रतीक्षा त्रिपाठी मु ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट रे फैकल्टी भाव कार्यरत आज आमर ये ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट तरफ जो प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कराई इट इज़ अबाउट हाउ टू कंडक्ट इफेक्टिव टीचिंग लर्निंग थ्रू कंप्यूटर असिस्टेड इन ए कंप्यूटर असिस्टेड मैनर मत लगुच सबू फैकल्टी आउ सबू स्टूडेंट मानू ए विषय जानिबा दरकार, ए विषय आग्रह करवा दरकार, कारण आजिकल कंप्यूटर रो जो उपकारिता रोचे ता बहुत अनेक समय देखा दूची जे तार पिला मानक सहित बहुत इन्वॉल्वमेंट रोची आउ पिला माने जेहेतु पीपीटी प्रेजेंटेशन द्वारा, साइमुलेशन द्वारा, एनिमेशन द्वारा शिक्षा को बेसी पसंद करूचंती, तेणु आमे भाबुचु जे ए भली एक वर्कशॉप अबा ए भली एक सेमिनार बहुत दरकारी पिला मानक पई, फैकल्टी मानक पई और से बहुत किछि शिक्षा को पाइबे। एथिरु मु ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट को धन्यवाद जणाया को चाहूची जे ए भली गोटे प्रोग्राम से माने एते कम समय भितरे 3 दिनिया प्रोग्राम गोटे अरेंज कर पारले आउ एहा निहाती एक भलो वर्कशॉप भाबे गणा हबो। सुब्रत सर आमको निहाती से जने बहुत ए बाबद से जने बहुत उच्च शिक्षित तांकर बेसी इनसाइट रही सबू एरिया रे आउ आज जेतिक आमे तांको सहित डिस्कशन कलु जो जहाँ भी तांको आमे शिक्षा को पाइलु आमे बहुत याकू जानिबा दरकार, शिखिबा दरकार, यह आम पिला माननकु को टाइप रो सहाय्य करि परिबो, आमे ता भितरु केमती शिखिके आम क्लासरूम मानकरे से टेक्निक माननकु प्रयोग करि परिबा ता विषय आमको सर अवगत कराइथिले आउ यह एक बहुत भल भाव मु कहबी ऑर्गेनाइज कराई तेणु आम सुब्रत सर प्रेजेंस को बहुत वैल्यू करचु आउ से आसीथिबारु ग्लोबल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट तांको धन्यवाद जणाउछि।
Devashish Nanda, the program coordinator of this short-term training program. We are actually conduct a training program of 3 days. Our resource person is Professor Dr. Subrat Chattopadhyay from NITTR. So our training program ro main motto ba objective rahila je how to they use the faculty members in a very effective manner in teaching, केमती से माने क्लासरूम रे भलो इफेक्टिवली पिलांको गाइड करि परिबे The reason is you can say it is one type of development program of, or you can say the skill are to be developed by the help of this training program and by the help of our resource person. So এটা ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ମୁଁ ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କଫୁଲ୍ ଦେବି ଗ୍ଲୋବାଲ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମ୍ୟାନେଜମେଣ୍ଟକୁ जो सो दैट ଆମେ ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରିପାରିଲୁ ଯେଉଁଠିକି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡ଼ିଏ କଲେଜର ଫ୍ୟାକଲ୍ଟି ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ ଆସିକି ଏଠି ପହଞ୍ଚିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଏଇଟା 3 ଦିନିଆ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ ଚାଲିବ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ସ୍କିଲ୍ ଡେଭଲପ୍ ହେଇପାରିବ ଡ୍ୟୁ ଟୁ ଦିସ୍ ଟ୍ରେନିଂ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ इन फ्यूचर आम भी भावुँ आउ कि ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम और फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम करने सो दैट वी कैन डेवलप एंड आवर फैकल्टी मेंबर्स आर टू बी डेवलप सो लास्टली मु थैंकफुल देवी और रिसोर्स पर्सन और मैनेजमेंट कमिटी और ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमिटी
So who are the guests?
गेस्ट इज प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर सुब्रत चट्टोपाध्याय फ्रॉम NITTR कोलकाता
Sir, ସବୁ କଲେଜରେ ଏମିତି ସାର୍ ହେବା ନିହାତି ଦରକାର।
निहाती सबु कॉलेज रे एमती निहाती हवा दरकार कहीं ना पिला मानकर स्किल एबे आउ डेवलप होनी कहीं से खाली आसुचंदी फॉर द सेक ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स और फॉर द सेक ऑफ यू कैन से नॉलेज डेवलपमेंट हवा पाई कि प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज इज रिक्वायर्ड नाउ डेज सो सेटारे टिके लाकुना अच्छी आ ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्रामटा होची से स्किलटा को डेवलप करे
Okay.
My name is Pulin Kumar Gantayat. I'm Professor Pulin Kumar Gantayat, and I'm from Sudhananda School of Management. And this is a very good, this is a very grand occasion for this FDP. And actually, this FDP will help in the teaching methodology and teaching how the teachers will teach to their students. Because same thing will go to your students also. Give the teaching to us students also. Yes. And what I feel, and I like this. This is my first time in this college, so actually I like this the presence of the Chattopadhyay sir. And let's see what is happening because it's a 3 days training session, and this is the first time it here. Let's see.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nazahat Afroz and I'm a faculty of Global Institute Management. We are very thankful to Global Institute Management for organizing such a grand event where we are working for the faculty development program, and such a renowned personality, Professor Dr. Subrata Chattopadhyay sir has been here for this 3-day program. We are looking forward to a lot of learning. Global Institute of Management has always been working for the development of the teachers and the faculty members. We keep on organizing such events where we work for the development of our faculties and different teachers. We have also called and invited people from different fields and different colleges to come over here and participate to promote their understanding and learnings. And yeah, we're looking forward to a great session with Dr. Professor Chattopadhyay sir.